everyone. Welcome to SETU100. In this video, we are going to make a project maze. So let's get started. So for adding data set, you will get a link in chat and in the documents that you get from LMS. So here you can just go to the option that says download, or you can just click on three dots, and from here you can click on downloads. So now the images will be downloaded in zip form, if you can see here. And when the downloads completes, you can just go to the downloads folder and find your images. The same way you will go for the PictoBlocks file. For this, you will just have to go and click on the downloads option. And when you click my download is over. And when you click on downloads, it will get downloaded. So now here my data set is getting downloaded. So now let's take few seconds and then we'll go and check in downloads folder how to get our images. You will go to your My Computer and you will select the downloads folder. In downloads folder, you will receive your zip file for your data set. And here you will receive the file for your project. So now here the data set is in zip form. We have to make it in normal form. So for that, we will click on the file zip and click on extract here. And when you click on extract here, it will get extracted in a normal file. And now this is your PictoBlocks file. This will not look like this white paper like in your system. It will look like the teddy bear, the sign of the PictoBlocks. So here is my maze project images. So now let's click on the folder. When you open the folder, you will see 4 folders. Go down, go left, go right, and go up. Each folder will have the images. Okay. So we have got our maze images here. So now let's go to the PictoBlocks. Here is our PictoBlocks. Now let's get started. Now we will click on file. We will click on file option and we will click on open ML environment. Either we can do this or we can add the extension. We can just go to extension and add this extension, machine learning environment. So we are clicking on the machine learning environment extension. When you just add machine learning environment extension to your project, you will get this. And from here, you will click on open ML environment where we are going to train the models. So just click on this environment. And when you click on the environment, you will reach to the machine learning environment place where you can make your project. So here you will go. If you already have the projects, you can just search the projects from there. If you want to create new projects, what you will do, you can see here, you will just click on the create new projects. And from here, you will use hand pose classifier. And let's name it as maze. I am using another spelling for maze because I already have maze project in my PictoBlocks. So that it does not match, or maybe it does not have the same name for 2 projects. I just want to change it. Or maybe let's say maze 2. And now select hand pose and click on create project. Now when I click on create project, it will ask us to hold your horses for few minutes, for few seconds actually, not minutes. Now here we are. So we are going to upload the classes from a folder. Either you know that you can upload the images from the images from your system or from the camera. So we have the folder. So we are going to click on upload classes from folder. When you click on this, you have to select our maze folder that we have just added and downloaded. So you will get it from downloads and maze project. You can see here. Just select it and click on select folder. Select folder. And now you will wait for few seconds till it loads all the images in your model. So now here our classes are uploaded. Here we do not need class 2 and class 1. So we will just delete these classes like this. And now if you see, we have 4 classes: go down, go left, go right, and go up. Okay. So you can see that what sign do we use, what gesture are we going to use to make our sprite move up, down, left, right. Now we are going to train the model. Just click on the train model. And it will take few seconds to train the model. Now your model is trained. You can see here, training completed. Now you will just click on export model, or you can test it here. So let's test it here first. Okay, and after that we are going to export it to our PictoBlocks. Now if you can see, it is giving you the right option, up. Now we will just export the model by clicking on export model. Now here you have your exported model. If you can see here, you have down and all the classes that you have created. Now we will go to files. We are going to go to the files here and we will click on open. And from here, we will go to open from computer, the file SB3 file that we downloaded from the link that shared. And now we have maze project. We will click on it and click on open. Then our project will get opened here. You will get this dialog box, just cross it like this. Just, yeah. So now here you have your project. We have our beetle here, we have the apple here. Now we have the main coding. So now we just want that whenever I give the hand pose, it should go up and down and left and right. So for that, here we are going to go to the machine learning ML environment, and we are going to get the 6th block that says is identified, go down. So basically first should be, we are saying that if the image that is identified is equal to go up, because we are using 0, direction 0. So then it will change the direction to 0 and move to 10 steps. Same thing we are going to do for our second if statement. And for down, this is 180. We are going to choose for up we have, then down. Then again, we are going to use the block, and now left. And this is going to be right. Here we are saying that when green flag is clicked, open the recognition window. That will have the camera open and you can see what pose, hand pose you are using there. Then if the image that is identified in the class is related to go up, then it will direct this beetle will point towards up and then move 10 steps. If the image identified is equal to the class go down, then it will point to downwards and move 10 steps. The same thing it will do for the left and right. And here what we are saying, that when green flag is clicked, the beetle should point to up and it should glide at this position and size will be 50%. If the beetle touches the black color, it will again go to its starting point and point in direction 0, that means up. And if the beetle touches the red color, that is, if it touches the apple, the game will stop. That means the beetle won. So this is what we want here to happen. So let's try and check if our code is working properly or not. Now when I click on green flag, and here you will see that your recognition window is here. Now let's check. So now this is my hand, it is going up and then move left. Keep checking the beetle on the right side on the stage. Now go up. Now it's going up. And if it touches the black color, let me just move it to towards right side. And it touches a black color and it went again at the starting. And now let's make it move towards right. So now this is how you can play. This is how you can play your maze game and try to make your beetle reach to the apple. So I hope you understood what we are doing here. We have first made the model, we trained it, exported it, and then if that particular class image is getting classified, then we are changing its beetle's direction and trying it to move 10 steps every time. You can change the codes according to yourself. And now up. I want to make my beetle reach, yes, reach apple. So I am trying hard here. So you can make your own game like this. So that's all for this video. We are going to learn a lot of things in coming videos. Bye, everyone.